The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Turbo Warp. If you're not on Turbo Warp, then none of this is going to work because you don't have access to the Game JOLT extension. You want the Game JOLT extension. You gotta click that, and it'll bring you over to all these special blocks. I'm going to tell you how to do that. So first you want to create a variable called user and game token, and then set them to nothing when the project starts. And then, I'm not sure if this is necessary, but I put log out because I don't want people to be logged in multiple times. I'm not sure if there's an automatic workaround for that, but I just put it there to be safe, and it doesn't seem to interfere with anything. Next, you're going to want to go to Game JOLT, go to your game page, and head on over to the game API settings, and you'll see a game ID. Now, you copy that game ID here, and then you go here and you click the Show Private Key button, which I'm not going to do for obvious reasons, but then you can copy that right into this area. And then I've switched to Costume 3, which is just this. It's asking for your username. Go to Front, Show, Ask, Nothing, and Wait. This brings up a text box, you can see right here. And then you want to set the username to the answer, because you're asking for the username. And then if the username is blank, then you just want to say the game's logged in, and that will start the game. You want to have game logged in be the thing that starts your game, and not when flag clicked. And this is basically just a fast pass for if you don't want trophies, you can just start the game, which is convenient for people who don't like trophies. And then I have a little color flash effect to show that you did submit a username, and then it asks for the game token, does the exact same thing, asks for the game token, put it in, sets the game token to whatever you put in, and then if none of those two things are blank, then it tries using the login block with the username and the token. And then I have a timer, which is pretty important. It goes over here. We have set Game JOLT trophies available, which is this is just something I do to see if the trophies are available. Timeout to 0, and then it ticks down 5 seconds waiting to see if someone's logged in. If the login is invalid and the servers don't do it in 5 seconds, then I just log you in without having the trophies available because it didn't work. But if that does work, then I have a timeout 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you in? If you are in, then it sets logged into true, or it waits until the login is true, and then it sets the trophies available, plays a little victory sound, gives you a 1-second warning saying like, okay, you logged in, and then it stops. As for adding the trophies themselves, you want to go over to the trophies category, and then you have all these little things you can press. Add trophy, put a picture, put a title, put a description, and then you can tag it as secret, which is completely hidden, or visible. And then you can press save trophy, and then later on you can also move around the order and change the value like bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. But that's basically all you have to do to set up. I hope this helped. If it didn't, then tell me how bad I am at explaining things.